Ever since childhood, I was always fascinated by technology. I took computer science in my school, but due to my change in field, I was not able to continue with that. But my friend suggested that I should explore the data analysis domain. So with him, I researched and I came across Simplilearn. I found out how it works, what are the tools that are used in it, and so I got fascinated and I jumped into it. My name is Aditya. I'm 25 years old. I live in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. I have done my bachelor's in tourism from Institute of Tourism and Travel Management in Noida. Right now, I'm working as a project manager in operations in an NGO called WEEE Foundation. The WEEE Foundation is an NGO and a recent startup that is focused on eco-friendly projects. Okay, so my father is a civil engineer in a private company. My mother is a housewife. I have a younger brother. He has done hospitality management and right now he is applying for jobs. I have a lot of memories. During my school time, I was just an average student and I was more on a casual fun side. But with time, I got serious and I met new people. I got new experiences and I learned a lot of things. I have a business of my own. It is a resort at Kana National Park. I wanted to explore new places. Tourism has many things. It tells us history about our heritage sites. It shows us many aspects of why this certain location is important. So me and my friend were researching about some institute for our data analytics and I came across Simplilearn and I talked with them, I reached out to them, we had some conversations and I got enrolled. Due to my previous computer science experience, I knew stuffs like Java and SQL, but I had very vague knowledge about Python and R. When I enrolled, I got very detailed experience about these tools. The mentors were very experienced and their methods were very interactive. We also had classes from IIT faculty. The faculty classes were amazing. They showed us the real scenario in the present industry. So we had an insight on what we had to prepare for. At present time, when certification is very important, to be certified by such a big institute feels like a blessing. I can say I have improved a lot. I have knowledge about many things. Though I feel that I can still hone my skills better, I feel much confidence because of the certification. I can now confidently face interviews, the whole interview process. During my time in tourism, we had direct recruitment, so I didn't have much chance of experiencing this. We are in the information age and the world is moving toward more data orientation. So these skills will be necessary at some point. At present, every industry needs these tools. Even in tourism industry, they ask for this. I do have a motto that is always keep learning and always follow some principles. The thing is, we don't know everything, so we always have to keep learning and we have to follow our principles to be on track.